Alright, so welcome to PV Tech. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually activate or register on the DSTV app. Some things that you need to know to actually go through the app and then register on it successfully. Okay, so when it comes to this DSTV app, I mean the app for streaming some of the channels on your smartphone, or maybe getting the app on your smart TV to watch it over there. I mean the DSTV app. Currently we have two different DSTV apps. That's my DSTV app and then the DSTV app. That was previously called DSTV Now. They have changed the name from being DSTV Now to just DSTV. So if you are still thinking of the DSTV Now, the name has been changed from DSTV Now to just DSTV. So if you were to download this, whenever you search for it, either from the browser or from your app store, just download the DSTV with a white background and then the blue logo, DSTV blue logo inside it. That's the app for streaming. With the other app, my DSTV app, that purposely for managing your accounts, you can pay your subscription over there. You can check your due dates and then fix some petty errors on that app. Okay, so with the DSTV app for streaming, one thing that you should know is that for you to get access on that platform, you need to be using a DSTV account details. I don't mean that you should be using a DSTV decoder, but you need a valid or an active account details to actually register on the platform. And one good thing is that one account details can actually help or connect 5 different devices. So meaning if that details have already been used on other devices, provided it's not up to the 5 limits that is required, you can also use it. Okay, so let's go to the number of channels that will be on the app. Not all the channels that are on your package or on your decoder will be available on the app. There are selected channels based on your package that will be on the app, but one good thing is that even if you are out of subscription, there will still be some channels available on the app to watch. Okay, so never complain when you find out that there are few channels on the app, provided you have an internet access. Even if you are out of subscription, you can actually get some channels over there to watch. Alright, so with the registration on the app, there are some vital details about your DSTV account that you need to actually register it successfully. You can use different ones, but the 2 details that I'm gonna give you here, that is the main one that you should use to actually register on the app very fast. That's the DSTV smart card number or the IUC number, and then the mobile number that was linked during the activation process. Any DSTV new decoder activation, you are required to provide a mobile number that will be linked with a decoder. Okay, so that mobile number, if you actually want to register on the app very fast, provide that number. So that number, if you provide it, there will be a verification code set on that number. So if the account is not your own, just get those verification code from either your family member or your friend that provide you with the account details to actually complete with the registration on the app. Okay, but with the app registration, and I don't know whether it's a coding problem or some programming problem with the app, because people find it difficult to register on the app, and I don't know why. So if you are trying to register, you tried for several times, you are unable to register, though you are providing the right details, but the app keeps rejecting your details that you are providing. Delete the app and then, or just uninstall it, download it once again, install. You can try it several times, and then maybe you can wait for the next day and then try it once again, because the app have that verification problem. Though you are providing the right details, but it's gonna reject you more often. Alright, so that's it. These are the details that you need to know about the DSTV app for you to actually register on it successfully. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, I'll be glad if you subscribe, you like the video, share on other platforms that accept YouTube videos, and you'll be blessed. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.